Trump and senior aides urge Netanyahu to modify West Bank policy. During a recent meeting at Mar-a-Lago, President Donald Trump and his inner circle pressed Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to rethink Israel's approach in the occupied West Bank. According to two sources with direct knowledge, the discussion centered on curbing settlement expansion, easing financial pressure on the Palestinian Authority, and preventing further violence that could jeopardize the Gaza peace framework and the Abraham Accords. The White House warned that a surge in West Bank hostilities would undermine diplomatic gains and risk regional stability. Over the past 3 years, Netanyahu's right-leaning government has expanded settlements, legalized outposts, and weakened the Palestinian Authority's budget, moves seen as steps toward de facto annexation. Trump's team urged restraint, asking Netanyahu to calm tensions and avoid provocative actions. The conversation also touched on Iran and Hezbollah's missile capabilities, with Trump signaling that additional strikes remain an option. Netanyahu signaled willingness to advance the second phase of the Gaza agreement and to reopen security talks with Syria even as he and Trump differ on implementation details. In a follow-up press conference, Trump acknowledged the ongoing debate over the West Bank, stating that while full agreement was not yet reached, a resolution was forthcoming. Behind the scenes, the issue was raised in earlier meetings involving Secretary of State Marco Rubio, Steve Witkoff, and Jared Kushner, highlighting concerns about settler violence, the PA's fiscal instability, and settlement growth. U.S. officials emphasized that a policy shift could improve Israel's standing with European allies and broaden the Abraham Accords. The settler lobby, a cornerstone of Netanyahu's political base, continues to exert significant influence. Meanwhile, Trump has lifted sanctions on violent settlers and appointed pro-settler ambassador Mike Huckabee, a move that has coincided with a rise in settler-related attacks on Palestinian Americans. Though Trump declined to detail his disagreements with Netanyahu, he expressed confidence in Netanyahu's future actions and praised Israel's broader policies, including its stance on Gaza and Iran. Earlier in September, Trump halted an Israeli annexation plan in response to European recognitions of Palestinian statehood, but has not publicly addressed wider Israeli policy in the West Bank since.